Hey, this is Lynn with the $500 Blueprint. It is a multi-stream income system that I help to find for the newbie, really, and for the experienced marketer. A newbie who doesn't know what to do, doesn't know how to recruit, and for the experienced marketer who no longer wants to recruit and would like something passive to do. So with our program, you can earn $500 or more a month simply by taking or spending minutes a day taking one question surveys. Real simple, easy to do, and it's very low cost to get started. So let me show you how simple this is. I am just clicking on banners and answering the questions. Okay, this program, what it does basically, it will pay you 25% on the dollar. Okay, and it's paid daily. So I answer the questions. I'm not reading it, but let me read this one. Do the colors used on this banner help identify the product service it's offering? I don't know. You know, there's really no right or wrong answer here. Okay, so you can get started doing this. You're not going to believe it, but let me show you my back office before I tell you that. Okay, we're going to go to the earnings and payout section, and this is very recent. You're going to see my earnings for the month of July, and let's start with today. Today thus far, I'm going to pull out my handy calculator. What you do to get your net amount is you take the amount earned by the customer, which is you, and I'm not going to put the cents, which is $129, minus the amount of money that I paid, the fees paid by the customer, which is $102, and I'll get the net amount that I earned for the day. So far, day's not over, $27. Let's choose another day. Let's choose Friday the 13th, where I earned a total of $202 that was put into my checking account, and I paid out $165, and so on that day I earned $37. Let's choose another day. On this day, Sunday the 8th, they put $272 in my checking account, and I spent $199 to get it. Boom, $73 I made for the day. And let's just take one more day. Let's go to the 1st of July, where they put a whopping $500 in my account, $505 to be exact, and I spent $407, and I earned $98. Okay, now I told you that this was the $500 blueprint. So let's see what my total earnings are so far this month. If I take $3,098, $986, and subtract it from, or the other way around, I guess you guys know what I was talking about, the amount that I paid, $3,118. So far this month, I've earned $868. And what did I tell you? I simply was clicking on the banners. So we designed this program because we wanted the everyday person to win, and they are doing so. This is the easiest money I've ever made in my life, and we show you the systematic step-by-step way to get started. If you follow the blueprint, you will earn $500 or more every month. It's just that simple. It's a mathematical certainty that you will earn that. So if you'd like more information, please click on the link below. I'm just checking my notes to see if I've left off anything. We hold a webinar every Monday where we do an overview to show you how this works and show you about the compensation plan. I'll put the information below this video so that you can check us out on Monday nights, and how you can learn how to make $500 or more simply by spending minutes a day taking one question surveys. Okay, so hope you like what you saw, and you'll come check us out, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao for now.